Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to new tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how can you use fill surface, delete face, extend surface, thicken, and a lot of things I'm going to discuss in this video with you people. So I have extruded these two, one is rectangle and one is circular in this video already. So come to fill surface, and I wanted to close these surfaces. Either you can fill this surface, either you can fill this surface, whatever you want you can do. Let me choose this upper edge for now and just say okay. So what I did nothing, just I closed this open surface, close right now. Now to close this upper surface, for that come to fill surface and select this 4 edges for, which is my actually entire edge, see, and say okay. So this is how you can use the flat surface, the fill surfaces inside SolidWorks surfaces. Okay, in this case I have 4 faces. I want to delete one of them. What to do? Come to delete face and choose any one of the face that you wanted to delete and just say okay. So see what I did nothing, just I delete the selected face. Okay, and the next thing that I wanted to discuss with you people is my extend surface. Okay, in this case what I do, I just wanted to select the edge face to extend. I wanted to extend this edge, and I wanted to select this edge for now. Come to extend surface and choose this edge, right? And here you can assign the distance, how much you wanted to extend, and say okay. Right? Now what else is remaining is actually I wanted to take an offset from this surface. Come to offset surface and select a surface from that you wanted to take offset, and you can assign the distance. Right now I'm assigning 45. Whatever you can assign the value, and you can get the desired shape, the desired offset. So hopefully you understand what I discussed in this video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.